from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
A longtime Henrico Police official leaves to become a chief of police in the Outer Banks, and a new nonstop flight serving Richmond International Airport. We'll tell you about those stories and more in today's Henrico News Minute. It's Thursday, July 20th, 2023, and it's brought to you today by Henrico County.
And now for the news.
The local commuters will have another nonstop destination from Richmond International Airport beginning later this year. Breeze Airways announced this week that it's adding its 13th nonstop route from the airport with seasonal service to Fort Myers, Florida. That'll start November 15th, and it will run Wednesdays and Saturdays. The airline also flies from Richmond to several other points in the south, west, and north, including San Francisco, Tampa, Jacksonville, Florida, and Las Vegas. A longtime Henrico police official has been named the chief of police in Kitty Hawk, North Carolina. Michael Palkovich retired from Henrico in June as assistant police chief and a lieutenant colonel. He was introduced in his new role July 10th during a Kitty Hawk Town Council meeting, according to the Coastland Times newspaper. Palkovich began his career in Henrico in 1993 and served in a number of roles. He also earned the Leslie T. Shepard Award, Community Policing Award, Life Saving Award, and 2 Meritorious Unit Awards. Virginia's Department of Social Services received approval from the U.S. Department of Agriculture's Food and Nutrition Service to replace certain SNAP benefits that were stolen from clients' electronic benefits transfer cards. The restoration of those funds began on Monday. Virginia can use federal funding to replace certain SNAP benefits that were stolen between August 1st of 2022 into the future, September 30th, 2024, through card cloning, skimming, and other fraudulent methods. Eligible SNAP benefits might also include disaster SNAP and emergency allotments. If you have questions, you can learn more at www.dss.virginia.gov/EBT-scam. Henrico's housing market is still very hot. We've got a sampling of local property transactions from recent days and weeks. You can find that list right now on our website, henricocitizen.com, by looking for property transactions. Included are 2 homes that recently sold for more than $1 million each. Just about 24 dogs and cats are awaiting adoption at the Henrico Animal Shelter, and this week and every week on henricocitizen.com we introduce you to these animals. You can find pictures of each of them right now on our website by searching for Henrico Fur Finder. Today's Henrico News Minute has been brought to you by Henrico County. Henrico County is now hiring. You can visit henrico.us/jobs to view a complete list of all opportunities, full and part-time, that are currently available. To learn more about Henrico's commitment to its employees and the Henrico Way, and find out why Henrico Recreation and Parks Recreation Manager Adam Schwartz says, quote, "No matter what your passion is, there's a place with the county for you," end quote. That's henrico.us/jobs.